Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your maths class. On 8th of August, you had your third online test of mathematics, right? Some of you could not appear in the test. It may be due to the change in exam time, right? Okay. And hope that you all will cooperate with us for your upcoming exams. Okay, now moving to our course. Before doing the revision class for the online test, we were discussing the chapter number 2, addition and subtraction, right? And we discussed up to how to solve word problems related to addition and subtraction. Yes, okay. And you were told that today the answers of mental maths part from chapter number 2 will be discussed, right? Okay, so now let us discuss the answers of mental maths part from chapter number 2. Okay, the first question from mental maths part, page number 32, is find the sum of the place values of two sevens in 2,73,51,748, right? You are asked to find out what sum of the place value. How many sevens are here? One seven which is in 10 lakhs place, right? And the other one which is in hundreds place. We have to find out their place values and then after we have to find out the sum. Yes? Okay. Now the place value of this 7 will be 7 into 100. Why? Because it is in hundreds place, right? So it will be what? 700. Yes? And the place value for this 7 will be 7 into 10 lakh, right? Which will be what? 70 lakh. Yes? And this is not our answer, right? We have to find out the sum of the place values, right? So here 70 lakh plus 700. Yes? And what answer we will get? 70 lakh 700. So the sum of the place values of two sevens in 2,73,51,748 is 70 lakh 700. Okay. Now let us move to the second question. Find the number which is 4,000 more than 5,07,36,272. First of all, let us write the number which is given. Okay, 5,07,36,272, and what we have to find out? 4,000 more. So plus 4,000. What answer we will get here? Okay. See, this is what? 1,000, right? So what? We have to increase the digit, right? We have to add this 4 to the digit which is in thousands place. Here 6 is in thousands place, so 6 plus 4 it will be what? 10, right? So what answer we will get? We will get 5,07,40,272. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, now let us move to the third question. The third question is find a number which is 20,000 less than 8,12,480. Less than you are asked, right? So for this what you have to do? You have to do what? Subtraction. If you are asked more, then you have to add, right? And here you are asked less, so you have to subtract it. What you have to subtract? This 20,000. Sorry, this will be 0. Okay, next what? Do the subtraction. Okay, here you will get 4 0. Okay, you have to carry 10. Okay, it will become 10, it will become 11. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, 11, 8. So the number with 20,000 less than 8 crore 12 lakh 480 is 8 crore 11 lakh 80,480. Okay, now let us move to the fourth question. Using the digits 1, 4, 2, 3 form the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number. The sum of the numbers so formed is. Okay, what you have to do here? First of all, you have to find out the smallest number using this 4 digits. Then after the greatest number using this 4 digits. Okay, after that you have to find out the sum of those numbers. Okay, so the smallest number using 1432, it is 1234, and the greatest number is 4321. Okay, and the next step is what? You have to find out the sum of these two numbers. Okay, 1234 plus 4321. Yes. Okay, now find out their sum. 4 plus 1, it will be 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, so using the digits 1, 4, 3, 2 form the smallest and the greatest 4-digit numbers. The sum of the numbers so formed is what? 5,555. Okay, so up to here we discussed the answers from question number 1 to question number 4, right? Now let us move to question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is 8 10 lakhs plus 12 lakhs equal to dash 10 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. How you can do this? First, write here what you are given. Here you are given 10 lakhs. Okay. Okay, first one, here you are given, in place of 10 lakhs you are given 8, right? And in place of lakhs you are given 12. Okay, then what will be the next step? Okay, see here, 10 lakhs, this one we can write here, right? So after writing it here, it will become what? 8 plus 1 equal 9. So what? Your answer is 9 10 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. Okay. Now moving to question number 6. How many zeros are there in 50 crore? Okay. So first of all, we should know which number is 50 crore, right? And it is the number 50 crore. Yes. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 zeros in 50 crore. Yes. Now moving to the question number 7. 5 lakhs plus 7 thousands equal 4 lakhs plus dash thousands. How many thousands will be there? So you have to find out the answer, right? Now let us see how we can find out the answer here. Okay, so this is the number 5 lakhs 7,000. Yes, and it is what? 4 lakhs. Then subtract it. Subtract 4 lakh from 5 lakh 7,000. Okay, what you will get here? 0, 0, 0. Okay, here you will get what? 7, right? Then 0, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, now see what number we got here? 1 lakh 7,000, right? But here you are given only 7,000. So how you can express this number in thousands? You can express this number as 107,000, right? So here in the blank, which number will be there? 107,000. Okay, so it is the answer for question number 7. Now let us move to Question number 8. Question number 8 is, find the difference between the place value and face value of 5 in 7 crore 25 lakh 1934. Okay. What we need here? Difference between place value and face value. So first of all we have to find that, right? Okay. This way it is the face value, and face value of 5 is what? 5, right? And this way we are going to write the place value of 5, and the place value will be what? 5 into the place that it occupies, right? 1 lakh. Yes, which will be what? 5 lakhs, right? Then after what? You have to find out the difference. Okay, and the difference of 5 lakh and 5, it will be what? So 10, 9, 9, 9, 4. Yes, and it will be 5, 9, 9, 9, 9, 4. Right? So the difference between the place value and face value of 5 in 7 crore 25 lakh 1934 is 4 lakh 99,995. Okay. Now moving to the question number 9. Okay. Here see what you are given, 87 lakh 65,432 minus 1 blank, right? And the difference you are given 11 lakh 11,111. Okay. To find out this answer, what you can do? You can subtract, okay, subtract the difference from the given number. Okay, that means 87 lakh 65,432 minus 11 lakh 11,111. Okay, and the answer will be what? 2 minus 1, it will be 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 1, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, right? 7 minus 1, 6, and 8 minus 1, it will be what? 7. So in the blank, what you have to write? Here, in the blank you have to write what? 76 lakh 54,321. Okay. Now moving to the last question, that is question number 10. Find the difference between the largest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, so to answer this we should know, right, what is the largest 7-digit number and what is the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, the largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. Yes, and the smallest 8-digit number is 10. And what? The largest 8-digit number is 1 crore. And what is the difference between these two numbers? It is 1. Right? So the difference between the largest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number is 1. Okay? So with this we have finished the discussion of the answers from mental maths part of chapter number 2. Right? And from the next class we will start the revision of the 3rd chapter from the book, that is multiplication and division. So that's enough for today. Thank you everyone.